Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile using laptop or PC. First, open up your browser and log into facebook.com. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, look for the three dots and click it and look for the lock profile. Once you're here, a new page will appear explaining what happens when you lock your profile. Click on Lock Your Profile, and that's it. Your profile is now locked, and only your friends can see your full profile details. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.